Emotionless, I them fucked up. Trust issues. It pain me how me plus you. Nowadays we dey equals to. We used to be a single to tango it takes. Girl, in my trust issues and your vulnerability issues got us split in twos. Afro blues, I'm feeling blue. My baby is gone for good, so me I guys be on the move. But first I be saving. What does it mean when you've never seen your girl cry? Long-term shit, still looking up for red flags. I never got access, never touched you in your heart, man. Can't touch it if she never let you smash, man. How can she let you smash when she not sure you're the man? If I'm be chicken, I'll be egg. Neither of us wanna carry last. It's okay, you carry cup and I carry man. If not, I fear I played myself for the fool. Say I go fit to chop my trouser rise and stew. Get down now, it was everything distinctly left you. The things say paroke, apolo, about me or you. Makanoi me, even if you cried me a river. I for still one day call you out as dramatic diva. And if I stop jealousy, stop the see the red flags. Become a nigga, going to trust. How you want trust the mumu nigga? The tragic paradox, the things we love to hate. Fire don't raise my home, my girls move on, ya relocate. So amazing, gone for good. It's high time I find my way, but I just take this record, use and process all my pain. Yeah, man, I make all videos what I feel make now. If I head back to my Agu, this has to work.